Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to get the voice working on Snipping tool. So when you're trying to do a screen recording, which you can now do using Windows 11, you press the Windows key, Shift and S, and it will give you an option at the top. You click on the little recording tab, draw around where you want to do the recording and make sure it's not muted, and then you start recording. And normally it's meant to work, but I've been having some issues with it, but there is a way around it. So if we quickly go to Snipping tool, if you just go to the start menu and type Snipping tool, do a right click on it and go to app settings. Okay, first you're going to make sure where it says app permissions, we're going to have the microphone on. Where it says let the app run in the background, make sure that's always on always. And then we're going to click on terminate, reset and repair. And then you can try it again by pressing Windows, Shift and S. However, if it's still not working, this is what you're meant to do. You're going to click on uninstall. You can even do that if you just go to Snipping tool. You can usually just right click on it and go to uninstall as well. But yeah, we're just going to uninstall it because this will give it like a proper good reset. But don't worry, it won't be gone forever. So if we'll quickly have a look. Oh, it's still there, is it technically? Okay. Oh no, it's not there. Great. Well, that's what we want. It's uninstalled. So all we need to do now is open up your web browser and go to Google and type out Snipping tool download. And at the top option, we've got the Microsoft Store. So we're going to click on that and click on download. So I'm just going to click on open file. Brilliant, so that should be installed now. So if I just do it again, Snipping tool, yep, it's back now. So if we quickly do a right click and go to app settings, let's just have a look and make sure, okay, we want microphone on. Yep, that's always on, always. Brilliant. So that's done. You can now try it out if you want, and you can stop the video if it is. If not, we can quickly dive into the sound settings. So with the speaker icon at the bottom right, I'm going to click on that and go to sound settings. Scroll down until we get to where it said advanced and then click on more sound settings. Okay, so well, you can adjust the speakers if you want. So I've got a headset on, so you can always adjust it like that and make sure the microphone's on. Go to the advanced tab and then make sure these two are unticked and click on apply. Click on the recording tab and then click on your headset like the microphone. Make sure, you can have the levels up if you want. Again, we're going to untick those. And then you want to click on apply and OK. And then go to communications and click on do nothing. And then click on apply and OK. And another thing you try is plug your microphone or headset directly into your computer instead of doing it through an adapter and see how you get on it. Thanks very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you later. OK, bye.